which they said they're going to deliver to the trainees. We look at the portfolio, we look at the reviews. They have an early review of the portfolio and the appraisal happens to make sure that they qualify the education supervisor. That happens on the training program. So that's the trainer focus. We want to focus on what is it, am I going to benefit from it? As a trainee, you might say, oh, my daughter or son is going to go into the EMFP program. What is the benefit for my son or daughter or for myself to improve upon my career? As you said, is you choosing the specialty in itself. You might say, I might go into the emergency medicine and see how is it like. But the benefit is you go through that, you don't have any exams, it's a trainee-led, and you have the supervision on the workplace in itself. You have a virtual training workshops, webinar conducted from overseas, from UK itself, or within the main hubs here in itself, having a joint up approach. And having the supervision space in the UK as well. And it's a bespoke website purely for the EMFP trainees, and they have the access to the online training modules, the RCEM learning or the portfolio to get them signed off. That's where we were when we all set this up. Then we introduced it in 2019. So we all started, then we introduced it in 2019. So Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and Mumbai. The Apollo group was thanks to Dr. Prasad in itself and to introduce the EMFP program to the budding junior doctors wanting to get into the emergency medicine training and to attract us towards the emergency medicine and also stay in and take the career up as an emergency medicine. We are very proud to say that today, about 68 trainees have successfully completed the program, which is an amazing achievement, and especially throughout the difficult circumstances of the COVID-19. When we look at the portfolio of the EMFP trainees, sometimes I keep to myself and say, my trainees don't do that in the UK. And the portfolio is such a way that everything is completed and everything is signed off. And I feel sometimes I have to show to my own trainee and say, look at this portfolio, how much they have done it themselves. Why can't you be like this yourself? But it's a very good way of the trainees' engagement, which shows that. This is a testimony to the hard work and dedication by everyone, the education supervisors, the educational and clinical supervisors in itself, and the trainees. That's the testament of it. It's a great example of active collaboration between the RCEM and the Apollo in itself. It's a fantastic way to do it. I would like to end it by the comment from one of the EMFP trainees for you to see it in itself. It gives us a great pleasure from the RCEM to say, actually we have made a difference to your son or daughter's future, and you yourself as a future in itself. That gives us great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. In summary, the EMFP training gives the same experience of record for a person who's either in UK or in India. So it's the same in both the countries. So thank you so much. Let us proceed for the certification ceremony now. So I would like to first welcome onto the dais our chief guest, Dr. Catherine Henderson. Dr. Catherine Henderson is the president of the Royal College of Emergency Medicine. Please give her a big hand. She is a consultant in emergency medicine at Guy's and St. Thomas NHS Foundation Trust. And previously, she was the chair of the Regional Board of Royal College of Emergency Medicine, the CPD director of Royal College of Emergency Medicine, and formerly a consultant in emergency medicine and clinical lead at the Homerton University Hospital in UK. Ma'am, welcome on the desk. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Dr. K. Hariprasad sir, President of Apollo Hospitals Group. He is the founder, member, and the executive chairman of the Society for Emergency Medicine in India. And everything you see in Apollo Hospitals has been developed by him in emergency care. So, sir, we welcome you on to the stage. We have a second guest of honor, Mrs. Sangeeta Reddy. She will be joining us shortly. She's in another meeting and she's on her way here. So she'll be joining us shortly. I would like to welcome the Royal College team, Dr. Dakshin Murthy Vijay Shankar, onto the dais. He is the Associate Regional Director of the East of England NHS Trust. I'd like to welcome Dr. Manu Saundaraj, Consultant in Emergency Medicine in Leeds Teaching Hospital in UK. I'd like to welcome Dr. Dhawapalli Alagappan, Head of Emergency Medicine at Apollo Hospitals in Chennai. I'd like to welcome Dr. Nitin Jagasia, Head of Emergency Medicine at Apollo Hospitals, Mumbai. I'd like to welcome Dr. A.N. Venkatesh, Head of Emergency Medicine at Apollo Hospitals in Bangalore. Thank you. We'll be calling the names of the doctors, so please you can walk up to the stage to receive your certificates. The first certificates will be given for the EMFP doctors, the doctors who have cleared your 1-year Emergency Medicine Foundation program from the first batch. The first batch was 2019-2020 and that batch will be receiving first.
लाइट बेंच में लाइट बेंच में लाइट बेंच तो ब्राइटनेस
Can I call from the first batch, Dr. Sindhu Reddy? Please give a big hand. You'll have to clap for a long time. Each person deserves your applause. Dr. Ashish Konuri. Dr. Prem Kishore. Dr. Pasam Meda Reddy. Dr. Shravan Arawa. Dr. Bharat Tej. Dr. Ramya Sribhargavi. Dr. Nandana Priya Potani. Is anyone from our family present? Okay. Dr. Glenn Sebi D'Souza. She is collecting for Dr. Nandana Priya. Dr. Glenn Sebi D'Souza. Dr. Kiran S. Dr. Naveen Jayaraj. Dr. Swati Sivakumar. Dr. Syed Fasiuddin. Dr. Gopalakrishnan M. Dr. Rumana Begum. Dr. Shyam Prasad Reddy. Dr. Krishna Charita. Dr. Mohammad Zubair. Dr. Syed Abdul Khalid. Dr. Srinivas Charan. Dr. Lian Zakaria. Dr. Nitin. Dr. Azimuddin. Dr. Aleka Mukku. Dr. Vinay Bachu. Dr. Sai Kiran. Dr. Naguru Emmanuel.
Somebody come this side.
He's just recommending to stand in the center. So photos come there.
Some.
China particularly good.
Dr. Rakshit. Dr. Priya Srinivas.
Why not?
Dr. Grishma Raichuri. Dr. Syed Adil Hassan. Dr. Shamim Mohidin. Dr. Joe Moses Raj. Dr. Vishnu Lakshmi Ramesh. for the EMFP. The EMFP batch had 68 people who have cleared, but only some of them can come here because the remaining are working in the emergency in the different cities and they have to take care of patients. So we will be calling them again, we will be sending the certificates to them. Can I ask the guests to please be seated? We have a guest of honor, Mrs. Sangeeta Reddy. Ms. Sangeeta Reddy is the Joint Managing Director for Apollo Hospitals Group. She is the past President of the Federation of the Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries. She is a global healthcare leader, Indian entrepreneur, and a humanitarian. Welcome to Sangeeta, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Incidentally, just 2 days back, she has met the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, Mr. Boris Johnson, to support the partnerships between India and United Kingdom and to open jobs and growth opportunities in the healthcare sector and in the emergency care sector. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being here.